Hello, boys and girls. Mrs. Blackburn here today for this week's writing lesson. We will be using Storyworks to look at the debate titled, Should Kids Be Paid to Do Chores? Our learning goal. After reading Should Kids Be Paid to Do Chores, we are going to decide which side we agree with based on the text evidence. Your success criteria will be I can read a debate and list text evidence from both sides. So here is the article you can see. You're going to decide which side you will take. We've done these before. The last one we did was Do Manners Matter? So this one would be about whether or not you should get paid to do your chores. So I'm going to go ahead and read this, and after we're finished, you will have a puzzle piece to complete in Schoology. Should kids be paid to do chores? Gabby says she should earn big bucks to help around the house. Her mom isn't so sure. Who makes the better argument? Directions. Read both letters, then complete the chart on the next page. Dear Mom, I know you and Dad have been super stressed during the pandemic between working from home and helping me and Max with remote school. You guys barely have any time left over. I have the perfect idea to help give you a break. I can do chores and you can pay me. Each week, I will tidy up the living room, set the table, sweep the kitchen floor, and take Ralphie on his morning walk, all for the bargain price of $10. Meanwhile, you and Dad can sit back, relax, and catch up on all the Netflix shows you've been missing. Think about it. You won't have to be embarrassed by the mess in the background of your Zoom calls anymore. And this plan will help me too. I read that kids who do chores often do better in school because they learn to be responsible. I'll have to get up early in the morning and organize my time. I also read that getting an allowance helps kids learn how to manage their money. So what do you think? I'm ready to start right now. Love, Gabby. All right, so that is Gabby's side of the debate. So let's listen to what her mom has to say. Dear Gabby, the answer is yes. You are absolutely old enough to begin taking on more responsibility. And good for you for offering to pitch in during this crazy time. But Dad and I won't be paying you to do this work. Nobody pays your dad to do our laundry and take out the garbage and mop the floors. And I'll be a millionaire if I got paid every time I did the dishes or made lasagna. Chores are a part of family life, and we all need to help keep our house clean and organized, especially now that the four of us are home all the time, making more of a mess than ever. And let's face it, Dad and I aren't the ones making most of it. Doing chores will teach you about being responsible, but it will also teach you another important lesson. Sometimes we do jobs not for a reward, but because we simply have to do them. Actually, you will get a reward for doing your chores. The smiles on your parents' faces. Isn't that worth at least $10? Love, Mom. All right, so we're going to go down to the bottom part, which is your assignment that you'll be completing in Schoology. Should Gabby get paid for doing chores? Gabby and her mom both give reasons that support their arguments. Find 3 reasons in each letter and write them below. Use these details in an opinion essay about whether kids should get paid to do chores. So you will be working on an opinion essay all week. This is step 1 in the opinion essay. So you need to go in order for each folder. So today's Tuesday. You'll want to start with today and then go to Wednesday and Thursday. You'll want to do these in order because that will take you step by step by step. So on Friday, you'll have the final product of your completed essay. This is going to help you a lot, so you'll want to refer back to this folder and back to this assignment. You may also want to do it on a separate piece of paper and then hold on to it because this will also be your topic sentences for your paragraphs, no matter which side you're on. So hold on to this activity for Tuesday, for the first day, because it's really important and it will help you. It'll be very beneficial to you and make the rest of the week go a lot smoother and be much easier. So, all the reasons that you found in the article for yes, she deserves it to be paid, you're going to come up with 3 that come from the article, not your head, but from the article, and list them here. And that, again, will be in Schoology. The reasons that mom said no, she needs to pitch in, there were lots, but you need to list 3. And again, like I said, and if you remember before on the other essay that we wrote, these are going to be your topic sentences for your paragraphs. So this is why this assignment is so important, and you'll want to keep that. Reach out to your teachers if you have any questions at all. Have a wonderful day, and good luck.